Friends, welcome you Current Affairs 2021 Part 3. Let's we go to Current Affairs. Question number 1. Odisha has become dash state in country that has successfully implemented the ease of doing business reform prescribed by the Ministry of Finance and Expenditure. Options are 7th, 6th, 5th, 4th. Right answer is option A, means 7th. Odisha has become the 7th state in the country that has been successfully implemented the ease of doing business reform prescribed by the Ministry of Finance and Expenditure. Therefore, New York state is eligible to mobilize additional rupees fund rupees 1429 crore. Therefore, open market, Odisha has now joined the 6th states of India's 6th state. India's 6टी स्टेट एथिरे शामिल होइतिले आंध्र प्रदेश, कर्नाटक, मध्य प्रदेश, तमिलनाडु एंड तेलंगाना एंड ओडिशा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. स्वच्छ स्वास्थ्य सर्वत्र इज ए इनिशिएटिव ऑफ डैश. ऑप्शंस आर A Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitization, both A and B, none. Correct answer is option C, means Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitization. Swachh Swasthya Sarvatra is a joint venture of Ministry of Health, Welfare and Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitization. First time the program launched 2016. Question number 4 we know, E Committee of Supreme Court SC of India conferred with the Dash Award for Excellence in Digital Governance by President of India. Options are gold, diamond, platinum, silver. Correct answer is platinum. We know E Committee of the Supreme Court of India conferred with the Platinum Award Excellence for Digital Governance by the President of India. Next question number 5 we know, newly developed GPS assisted airdrop container can be carry on payload up to dash and dash can be dropped from a heavy aircraft. Options are 50 gram, 50 kg, 60 kg, 60 gram. Correct option is B, means 50 kg. Newly developed GPS assisted airdrop container can be carry a payload up to 50 kg and can be dropped from heavy aircraft. India adopted a unified Braille code in dash to represent different languages. Options are 1950, 1951, 1952, 1953. Correct answer is option B, means 1951. India adopted unified Braille code 1951 to represent different language. India established first Braille factory in Dehradun, the Central Braille Factory in 1954. A Central Braille printing press was established to produce Braille electrical appliances. Braille was first invented France in 19th century by Louis Braille. Next question we know, Braille is a letter and number symbol represent dash dots. Options are 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct answer is option A, means Braille is a letter of 6 dots and symbol. Dots represent letters and number as usual math, music, science, symbol. World Braille Day is celebrated on dash. Options are 4 January, 3rd January, 2nd January, 1st January. Correct answer is option D, means 1st January. Every year, United Nations and several other international organizations celebrate World Braille Day on January 4th. Next question we know, Global Family Day is celebrated on dash. Options are January 4, January 1st, January 3rd, January 2nd. Correct answer is B, means 1st January. Every January 1st, Global Family Day is celebrated all over the world. This is a global day of peace and sharing. We all know how to important. Asian Development Bank ADB headquarters. Options are Mandaluyong, Ortigas Center, Metro Manila, all of the above. Asian Development Bank headquarters are D is correct answers. Mean Asian Development Bank ADB is a regional development bank which established on 19th December 1966. Its headquarters are located in Mandaluyong, Ortigas Center, Metro Manila, Philippines. The bank promotes social and economic development in Asia. Main motto aim of ADB. The Prime Minister dedicated Kochi Mangaluru gas pipeline to nation. This is a dash kilometer long pipeline built by GAIL India Limited, GIL. Options are 150, 250, 350, 450. Correct answer is option D, means the Prime Minister dedicated Kochi Mangaluru gas pipeline to the nation. This is 450 kilometers long pipeline built by GAIL India, Kochi Mangaluru natural gas pipeline. National Atomic Time Scale generates Indian Standard Time IST with an accuracy nanosecond. Options are 18, 1.8, 2.0, 2.8, 3.0. Correct answer is 2.8 nanosecond. Means the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research National Physical Laboratory, जोटा आम कहूँ CSIR NPL in New Delhi is organized the National Metrology Conference 2020. The National Atomic Time Scale generates Indian Standard Time IST with an accuracy of 2.8 nanosecond. Next question. The theme of National Metrology Conference 2020 is, options are metrology of the exclusive growth of the nation, metrology of the growth of the nation, metrology for the inclusive growth of the nation, none of these. Correct answer is none of these, means option D is correct answer, because the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research National Physical Laboratory CSIR in New Delhi organized the National Metrology Conference 2020. India will export broken rice to Vietnam in dash. Options are January 2021, February 2021, both A and B. Option D is March 2021. Option C is correct answer. Mean India traders will export 70,000 ton of rice Vietnam at price of experiment जोटा कह approximately January and February month 2021 rice will export broken to Vietnam. Britain has recently ended taxation on which product? Options are mobile phones, sanitary products, laptops, paracetamol tablets. Correct answer is option B, means sanitary products. Britain became the latest nation that has eliminated taxation on women's sanitizer product. These taxes are called the tampon tax has been completely abolished in the country? Where is the headquarters of International Organization of Securities and Commissions IOSCO IOSCO located? Options are Geneva, Madrid, Rome, Lausanne. Correct option is Madrid. The International Organization of Securities Commissions IOSCO is a association organization which regulates the world securities futures market. Thanks for watching Current Affairs 2021 Part 3. Let's go to continue Current Affairs 2021 Part 4. Thank you.